Alright, I'm taking out this stupid relay that failed. And then I'm taking out the mechanical stat and putting in digital and a time clock. So, pretty simple. I'll show you. Alright, so now our power comes in. Okay, we feed 1 in N, jump to 2, 4 through the thermostat. Okay, that's wired hot 120. Out on green, green comes back around, green goes to our solenoid, back to neutral. That's it. So let's test everything. Alright, fans 1 speed now. We got menu, short cycle 35, on at 39, time 4 defrost set, longer one in the middle of the night. Let me wrap this up. And that took me 15 minutes. 15 minutes.